Hey, good morning. Welcome to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. Today I want to show you the carrying case for the longernano laser engraver. It's a good heavy duty piece that the laser engraver and the plates, everything fits very nicely into. The first thing we have in here, is our base plate. We have our power supply. We have our safety shield, and I put my extra cords in there. And we have the laser engraver itself, which sits down into a very well-formed spot for it. So if you want to pick one of these up and take it down the road, do some work at a job site, this little case will protect it. Again, very solid piece. Great accessory for your longer nano. Be sure to pick one up.